Hello students, we have already seen the practical flat spiral spring in previous lecture. Now actually it is the workout you have to follow to determine Young's modulus y and modulus of rigidity eta by plotting the respective graphs I against t1 square and m against t2 square. It is m to determine Poisson's ratio sigma and bulk modulus K for material of given spring. For this, apparatus is flat spiral spring. It is shown here. Stopwatch to measure the time period. Slotted weights, micrometer screw gauge, vernier caliper, bar system with sliding disc. Now, it is the first adjustment and it is the second adjustment. Since we have to determine two elastic constants as y and eta, therefore this adjustment is for the calculation of eta and this is the adjustment of the instrument for the calculation of Young's modulus y. Now for the determination of eta, the spring is vertical and the slotted weights in the range of 50 gram attached to it in the downward direction. And for y, to this spring we have to connect this rod and the two disc side to the from the center of the gravity of the rod. Now y is equal to 32 pi square nr into bracket I plus I naught upon R for the T1 square. And second formula for eta is 16 pi square nr square into m plus m by 3 R fourth T2 square. Now it is optional. We have to calculate these two constants y and eta. For performing this experiment regarding the instrument flat spiral spring, vernier caliper, micrometer screw gauge, the load system attached to the bar, we have to take some observations which are listed here. 1. Total number of turns of spiral spring n is equal to 130 number of turns. Mass of two discs twice m dash is equal to given here 131 gram. Mass of bar system m dash 396 gram. Length of the bar L equal to 80 centimeter. And MI of fixed part of the vibrating system, as this is having the standard formula for the calculation of moment of inertia of the rod, we need its mass and its length, and therefore by using this formula we have to calculate the mass moment of inertia of fixed part of the vibrating system. It is to be calculated in this gram centimeter square. Next, outer diameter of the spring, which is measured with the help of vernier caliper, it comes out to be D equal to 2.809 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the spring diameter by 2 equal to 1.4045 centimeter. Similarly, we have to calculate diameter of the wire by using micrometer screw gauge, that will be equal to 0.158 centimeter. Again divided by 2, that is the radius of the wire, small r equal to 0.079 centimeter. Mass of the spring taken by the rough balance m naught equal to 178 gram and mass of the hanging bar system is equal to 157 gram. These are the observations you have to listed at the time of practicals, and then we have to proceed further for completing these two respective observation tables, one for y, second for eta. Now for y, that is performing the horizontal oscillations, it is the observation table. Distance of each disc from the rod a centimeter, I is equal to twice m dash, that is the mass of two discs, into a square. A is the distance which is the first column, Then we have to measure for each distance the time period for 10 oscillations. At least you have to take 2 trials and then take out its mean. Then mean time divided by number of oscillations, as usual it comes out to be the time period, and the last column the its square, time period square. Now this column is I, this column is t1 square, and with these observations we have to plot the graph of I against t1 square, I against t1 square for the calculation of y. By taking its slope, we have to calculate using the first formula, that is first elastic constant, Young's modulus of the material of the spring. Now proceed for second part. Determination of eta by vertical oscillation, as I shown you in the first diagram. The first column of the observation table, distance of each disc from the rod. Then I is equal to twice m dash square, time for 10 oscillations. And then we have to plot the graph of m versus t2 square. Then by using this slope, we have to calculate here the eta by given formula, here 16 pi square nr cube upon r fourth into slope, that is the calculation. Hence we have to calculate here eta and y for the material of the spring. Now with the first video and these two, by these two video, I thought you have to clear this practical.